connection with the Karur Stampede case. TVK chief Vijay has left the hotel in Delhi. Times Now tried to ask Vijay a few questions. We are going to show you that sequence. My colleague Niyamika tried getting some answers from TVK chief with regards to his questioning. Take a look.
TVK chief Vijay has left from the hotel Taj Mansingh. As you can see that the cavalcade is leaving from the hotel as they are heading to the airport. As yesterday for 7 hours Vijay has been questioned by the CBI regarding the Karur Stampede case, and now he is going back to the state as he has sought some time because of the Pongal festival, and now he is leaving from here. He is heading to Chennai as he is having a special flight from the national capital to Tamil Nadu, as we have seen that how TVK has put all the onus upon the administration, as he has basically during the investigation has stated that there is no involvement of TVK in the Karur Stampede, and it is because of the administrative failure that this incident has taken place. This is Niyamika Singh reporting from the national capital for Times Now.
My colleague Niyamika is with us. Niyamika, after facing CBI's questioning yesterday, TVK chief Vijay has today returned to Chennai. He has sought some time from the investigators citing Pongal festivities. What were the questions that you asked him? Yes, he was evasive, but take us through all the information that you have with regards to Vijay's questioning.
We have been tracking him since yesterday only, and even our team was being present at Taj Mansingh Hotel where Vijay was staying, and when he was basically leaving from that hotel, we have also tried to raise certain questions from Vijay regarding the Karur Stampede. However, he didn't say even a single word regarding all these questions which are being put forward by the media there in front of him, as he basically left from the hotel as due to the security reasons the media was not being allowed to go very near to Vijay. But instead of that, we have also tried to raise certain questions that does he also want to say anything about the CBI inquiry, as yesterday we have also got to know from the sources that basically Vijay had put all the onus upon the administration. He said that it is not the fault of TVK the way in which the Stampede incident has taken place there, as we have also seen that how the questioning had gone on for more than 7 hours. However, he had also sought some time from the CBI due to the Pongal festival.
Right.
As today he has left for Chennai, and after some days, he has been going to be summoned once again by the CBI to investigate regarding this entire matter. But clearly, it has been seen that how TVK has completely denied for having any for taking the responsibility of the Karur Stampede. They are basically put all the onus upon the administration itself, and that is what even today we have also tried to ask him, but he didn't say even a single word to the media.
Right. So Vijay has not responded to the questions that was asked to him. Thank you so much, Niyamika, for joining us on this broadcast. We're going to tell our viewers about what Vijay was asked during the questioning that went on for 7 hours yesterday. Vijay maintained that his party or his party functionaries were not responsible for the tragic stampede that took place in Karur last September, which led to the death of 41 people and left 100 others injured. This was the stand taken by Vijay. It is same as the stand taken by other TVK functionaries who have been questioned by the CBI in the last few days. As per sources, Vijay's statement will also be analyzed and then corroborated with that of police officials who had said that considerable delay on part of actor led to the stampede. Now, the actor also said that he left the venue because he felt that it could have created further chaos and ruckus. Times Now has also learned that Vijay will be called in for questioning once again. For now, he sought some time citing Pongal festivities. He sought that exemption before the agency. And now officials are telling Times Now that CBI may summon the TVK chief at a later date. With that, we're going to shift our focus to the day's biggest international story that we are tracking. The United States has announced a significant escalation